Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a cook and clean with me, but before we get started, I'm just restocking our mini fridge in our rec room. I had just got back from the grocery store, and as you can see, we were pretty much wiped out on our drinks, so I'm just getting this restocked and ready to go again. This mini fridge is by New Air, and we have been absolutely loving having it in our rec room. Before, we were always super limited on how many drinks we could keep cold because you just don't have a lot of extra space in your main fridge. So this has allowed us to keep so many more options cold and ready for our guests or for the kids to help themselves to, and we have just really been enjoying it. We love the stainless steel look of it and the digital thermostat with the LED light, and I will have this link down below for any of you who are interested, as well as my code. And I just want to say thank you so much to New Air for sponsoring this portion of today's video. For tonight's dinner, we are making buffalo chicken egg rolls, and all you need is some vegetable oil, some hot sauce, we use Frank's, 2 cans of chicken, 2 cream cheese, and a pack of egg roll wraps. You're going to start by adding your cream cheese to your bowl and then adding your canned chicken. You're going to mix that up just a little bit and then add in your hot sauce, and we used about a cup, but you could use a little more or a little less, just however you like it, and then you're going to mix that all together. Next, you're going to add your vegetable oil or whatever oil you would like to use to your pot. However, we added ours and then realized that we used a pot that was way too big, so we're going to pour it into a smaller pot, and this one worked out perfect. Now you're going to add about a cup of cheese, give that a quick little mix, and then add in about a cup of ranch as well. We used homemade ranch, or I say homemade ranch, it's the kind that you make with the packet. We just like that so much better, but you could use bottled ranch too. But all you do is just lay out your egg roll wrap, put a scoop of the mixture in there, and just roll it up like this. He used a little bit of water to help seal the edge, but we just went ahead and rolled them all up. Let your oil heat up to about 350 to 400 degrees, and then it's ready for you to drop it in. You just let it fry until it's golden brown, but it does not take long at all. I would say we cooked ours about a minute and they were good to go. This by no means was a healthy dinner, but it was some good comfort food and they were absolutely delicious. So I definitely recommend that you try them out, and y'all make sure to tag me and let me know if you do. Now for the cleanup, I'm just putting in a new trash bag, and then I'm going to load a few dishes into the dishwasher. We always like to load our dishwasher throughout the day and then run it at night, but on this particular day, we had a lot of dishes, so now that it's full, I'm getting it going and I'm going to hand wash all of the rest.
what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I had so many dishes that I was running out of drying space, so I'm just drying these off really quick and putting them away so I can keep washing the ones in the sink.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. My shoes off if I want.
I get a lot of my cleaning products as well as soaps, laundry detergents, dishwasher tablets, all kinds of good stuff from Grove Collaborative, and I always have a link in the description box below that will get you a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set for free. So definitely make sure to check out that link if you're interested in trying out some new cleaning products. I highly recommend. I have used their site for a really long time.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you.
I feel like I almost washed every dish that we own on this night. They just kept coming and coming and coming, and I didn't think it was ever going to end. And I'm not someone who enjoys hand washing dishes. Now my mom, she would prefer to stand at the sink for 2 hours and wash her dishes rather than load her dishwasher, but I am the complete opposite, so this felt like it was never ending. I'm going to use some Barkeeper's Friend on the pot that we fried the egg rolls in. It just left a little bit of residue from the oil heating up, so I just used this to help get some of it off.
Now
There is just something so satisfying about watching somebody clean their sink. It is one of my favorite chores to do, but it's also one of my favorite things to watch somebody do on a cleaning video. So I'm just curious, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite thing to watch somebody clean?
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light?
I'm finally finished with the dishes now, so I'm gonna put these last few away.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning.
I'm using the Jaws granite cleaner to wipe off our countertops, and this spray just does a really good job at getting everything clean and getting them nice and shiny. I love it, and I love the smell as well.
I miss you, and I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind.
I'm going to use the Jaws kitchen cleaner to clean our stovetop, and I'm also going to use it to wipe down our appliances because it actually cleans stainless steel really, really well.
But you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now, no matter.
Now I'm moving to the dining room, which was just a little bit of a mess from me opening packages. I ordered this preschool workbook for Gaines to try to work with him on some stuff at home since we're about to start school virtually for Mason. I'm just going to try to work on some things with Gaines myself. And then Amy Darley suggested this book series. She said that her son loves it, so I got Mason the first book of the series. And then I ordered me this Paula's Choice. It's like a toner, I guess, like an exfoliant, but I've heard really good things about it, so I ordered that for myself. But I'm just going to use the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. I'm obsessed with using this for cleaning the wood table or anything wood really, but it does a really good job on our table and the smell is so good.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like.
I'm gonna run the vacuum over the floors really quick to get ready to mop. These floors, y'all, I love the way they look when they're clean, but they are so hard to keep clean. Our other floors in our previous home were the exact opposite. Like, you could have literally went a month without mopping and you wouldn't be able to tell because they just didn't show anything. These floors show every crumb, every drop, every footprint, everything, and it doesn't help that we have a yard full of dirt right now, so all of that's been getting tracked in on it as well. So you can probably tell by this video, they needed mopped very bad, so we're gonna get to that in just a minute.
Smile, I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high.
I'm using the Method wood floor cleaner to mop the floors, and it's in the same exact scent as the cleaner I used to clean our kitchen table earlier. It just smells so good, y'all. It's an almond scent, but it smells so fresh and clean at the same time, and it just makes your house smell incredible. You have got to try it. I'm using my O-Cedar spin mop, and I honestly forgot how much I love this thing. So I used to use it all the time, and then I got my Gladwell Electric Mop, which I absolutely love, but I have not been able to find my charger for it. So until I find it, I've been using this, and honestly, it's super great. It's really convenient, and I love that you can switch out the water as needed, because like I said, we've had a lot of dirt tracked in, so I've been having to switch out the water pretty much as I go room to room. This makes that really easy, and it does a really good job.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So
thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate all of your love and support more than y'all could ever know. Please leave me any video recommendations that you have in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're not already, but I will see y'all in the next one.
we were meant to be.
You like my hair? Hope so, because I like yours. That's a big pop.
Big old pop or a big old boot, you hear the whole thing?
Man, I need spicy Coke. That one. Mommy, that one.
Okay. Okay.
Get it.
You get it.